The Maytag dryer F01 error code indicates a short in the main relay power control board. This issue is often caused by a faulty control board. To fix the error, the control board should be replaced. Start by powering off the dryer and unplugging the power cable from the electrical outlet. Then, remove the top panel by unscrewing it with a nut driver. Next, take out the control board's mounting bracket by unscrewing it from the dryer's cabinet. Disconnect the wire harness plug from the board by pressing the locking tab. And then gently disconnect the remaining wires and plugs. After that, unscrew the control board from the mounting bracket and fasten the new control board to the bracket. Reconnect the plugs and wires in their correct positions. Reassemble the mounting bracket to the dryer's cabinet, and then reinstall the top panel. Finally, power on the dryer to test if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to consult a certified dryer technician for further assistance.